So for me, it's morning. You guys, it might be whatever time. It happens to be a Sunday, but to be fair, I have just had 3 weeks holiday, or 2.5 weeks holiday in America. I am just about to book another 3 weeks holiday in southern India, so okay. I'm doing what I would term one of the most boring things, a mortgage review. Oh, and what's that say? Yeah, every day I'm shuffling. Yeah. Well, today I've had to put Aretha Franklin on just to, come on. So I'm doing a mortgage review because I tend to put a lot of my mortgages into fixed, because in the early days I wanted to make sure I had kind of limited risk, but of course they come out of fixed, and I'm really interested in my mortgage cost is my biggest cost going. So I'm going to report back. I've done 4 mortgages so far, and I've hit the first saving. I'm going to save a whopping £2,895.10 per annum over the next 5 years. So that's like not quite £3,000, but let's just for brain's sake call it £3,000. If I hadn't done anything, I would have lost, if you like, £15,000 extra interest, because I'm just about to move on to a 5-year fixed. It's not bad for a Sunday morning. I would rather be playing with my friends right now. They are texting me and I am texting them. Because I saw them go to the gym and I was like, oh, I just want to hang out with you guys. But I suppose drinking tea, listening to Aretha Franklin and saving £15,000 for the first one that I've come across over the next 5 years isn't bad. So even if you're not quite built this way, and I'm not, to go through your mortgages and keep yourself organised, the chances are you're probably paying too much realistically, and by doing a mortgage review, which I'm now putting into my business practice every 3 months, the chances are you'll probably save yourself quite a lot of money. That could pay for a lot of brunches with friends. My other friend Sunny kept texting me going, mate, live your life. I hope he's having a very nice brunch. I asked him to send me photos of the food because I'm here doing mortgage review. Anyway, don't feel sorry for me. All I'm doing is showing you guys the truth of stuff. You know, Sunday morning I was here at 8:15 and I'm just going to smash on through listening to a really loud Aretha Franklin. But it's probably going to end up saving me thousands of pounds. So, yeah. So, please, bore yourself silly, put your music on and review your mortgages, because you are probably, unless you're beautifully, beautifully organised, sitting on some additional costs you don't need to pay. And that's mad, isn't it? Right, couple of things. You probably know that we divide our videos into playlists. I do that so that they're very useful. In fact, 3 things so that they're very useful to you guys. So if you're looking for a specific thing, check out the playlists like refurb advice or raising finance or deal sourcing or buy to sell or tenant management or any of that stuff. Or even if you want to check out our mentoring program, we've got hundreds of recommendations and reviews from people, so you can see what they say. Have a good look somewhere at our playlists. Second thing, and here's me getting kick-ass, subscribe to our videos, because we produce, unless I'm on holiday or forget, we do one a day for every working day. And third thing, hop over to our website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk, because I produce tons of material. I've got loads of free checklists there for you. I've also got loads and loads and loads of fantastic resources. I just got contacted by Tracy. She was like, Suze, I don't think this was possible, and I bought your Raising Private Finance pack, which isn't that expensive at all. I got my brave on and I raised £780,000. Oh my God. I had to have like 3 cups of tea. I was so damn pleased for her. I replied, and then I think I replied again, and I might have even replied the 3rd time. So well done her. So this stuff works, you know, high five Tracy, but this stuff works. So hop over to our website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk, because I've written tons of good resources for you guys. Right. I'm going in. Aretha Franklin's going back on. But, you know, £2,895.10 per annum for the next 5 years. It's a good start, isn't it? And it's only like, what time is it? 11 o'clock. See you soon. Bye.